Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal card. First, ensure your card is activated, either online or by calling the number provided. Once activated, you can use your PayPal card for purchases wherever MasterCard or Visa is accepted, both online and in physical stores. It conveniently links to your PayPal balance or a designated bank account, allowing seamless access to your funds. This makes managing your everyday spending straightforward and efficient, giving you control over your finances with ease. Making purchases with your PayPal card is simple. For online shopping, just enter your card number, expiration date, and security code at checkout, just like any other card. When shopping in stores, you can swipe, insert, or tap your card at the payment terminal. You might be prompted to select credit or debit depending on the transaction and your card type. Remember to enter your PIN for debit transactions. This flexibility ensures you can pay conveniently almost anywhere. Effectively managing your PayPal card is key to smart spending. You can easily monitor all your transactions and check your current balance directly through your PayPal account, either on their website or using the mobile app. Consider setting up spending alerts to receive notifications for every purchase or when your balance drops below a certain amount. Loading funds onto your card is also straightforward, allowing you to transfer money from your linked bank account or other sources whenever needed, ensuring you always have access to your money. Your PayPal card offers several benefits, including purchase protection on eligible items, giving you peace of mind for your buys. For security, it's crucial to report any lost or stolen cards immediately through your PayPal account or by contacting customer service. Always use strong, unique passwords for your PayPal account and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. These simple steps help safeguard your funds and personal information, ensuring a secure and reliable experience with your card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.